In many places throughout Canvas, you will see something that looks like this. This is the Canvas Rich Content Editor, or RCE, although you will often see it referred to as the Rich Text Editor, or RTE, or the Canvas Textbox. Whatever you choose to call it, knowing how to use the RCE is vital to understanding how to use Canvas. The RCE appears all over Canvas, in Pages, where you share content with your students, in the Locations, where you enter instructions for discussions, assignments, and quizzes, and it even appears inside both classic and new quizzes in the spaces where you write questions. So you can see how important it is to understand this tool. If you're new to Canvas, don't be intimidated by the RCE. It's actually really easy to use. If you're familiar with any text editing software such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs, think of the RCE toolbar as something very similar to the toolbar across the top of your word processing software, with the open box as the place where you write your text and add images, links, and other content. At its most basic, you will need to enter text into the RCE text box simply by clicking in it and typing. Similar to Word or Google Docs, you can highlight text and then click the toolbar to select bold, italics, or underline. But let's take a look at some of the more advanced features of the RCE. First, we're going to look at this set of icons here. They are used for adding links, pictures, audio-video files, and other documents. Let's examine how they work. When you want to add a link to another website, you may be tempted simply to paste the link in. The better way to do this is to click on the link icon right here and select External Link. Paste or type the link into the link box. Then enter the name of the destination web page or other descriptive text. In accordance with best practices for digital accessibility, the linked text should inform the user where the link is taking them, instead of saying something like, "Click here," or "link." Then press the Done button and you will see your linked text in the text box. If you wish to link to another part of your Canvas course, click on the link icon and select Course Link. From the window that appears on the right, select the specific item you wish to link to. For example, if I wanted to link to Assignment to Demo rubric, I would click on Assignments, and then I would click on Assignment to Demo rubric. The link to this assignment will then appear in my text box. If you want to add any images to the content of an RCE text box, this is the icon you will select. To upload an image from your computer, select Upload Image from the drop-down menu. Click on the rocket ship to locate the file on your computer, and select Open. In this Alt text box, enter a short description of the image, or mark it as decorative if it serves no educational purpose. Then, click the Submit button. The image will then appear in the RCE. If you want to add an image that you have already uploaded to this Canvas course, choose Course Images from the drop-down menu. Locate the image from the window that appears on the far right and click on it just one time. It will then appear in the RCE. You can use this button to upload audio or video files. However, if you are uploading a file that does not already have embedded subtitles, do not use this to upload videos, as, at the moment, this tool does not offer subtitles integrated into Canvas. Instead, we recommend Panopto Video or Kaltura My Media for video tools with subtitles that are integrated in Canvas. Please check out our collection of how-to videos at Wakelet, that's wakelet.com/@KCCCTL where you can find videos on how to use these tools under the Faculty Video Making link. However, if you are uploading an audio file or a video with embedded subtitles, click on the icon and select Upload Record Media. Click on the rocket ship, locate the file on your computer, click Open, and then click Submit. The media file will then appear in the RCE. If you wish to add a media file that you have already uploaded to this Canvas course, but not via Kaltura My Media or Panopto, choose Course Media. Locate the file from the menu that appears on the right and click on it just one time. It will then appear in the RCE. For both methods of adding media files to Canvas, please remember that you should also add transcripts for audio-only files. This can be done using the File Upload icon, which I will talk about next. This icon is for uploading files such as Microsoft Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel sheets, or PDFs. Similar to what we have seen with the other icons, click on the icon and select Upload Document. Click on the rocket ship, locate the file on your computer, click Open, and then click Submit. However, unlike with the other file types, we are not yet done. The next thing you should do is click anywhere on the file link that has appeared and click on Link Options from the bubble that opens. In the Link Options window on the right, enter a descriptive name in the text box. This is in line with best practices for digital accessibility, which state that file names with extensions such as PDF, DocX, or PPTX should not be part of a visible file name, and that file names should be descriptive. Next, decide if you want your students to be able to view the file right there on the screen. If so, click the radio button next to Preview Inline, and then click the checkbox next to Expand Preview by Default. Then click the Done button. You will be able to see the name change inside the RCE right away, but you will not be able to see the opened file until you click Save and exit the RCE editing function. Depending on the size of your computer screen, not all toolbar functions may be visible across the top of the RCE. If you see a vertical stack of 3 dots, you can click on it to open more icons. Let's take a look now at these 2. You will use this one if you wish to change the text alignment from the left side of the screen, which is the default setting, to centered or to the right side of the screen. If you wish to add a bulleted or numbered list, this is the icon you will select. While there are other icons in the toolbar, the ones discussed in this video are the most commonly used. Once you are done making your edits, be sure to click Save. If you have any questions about how to use the Rich Content Editor window anywhere in Canvas, please reach out to the CTL at ctlsupport@clametcc.edu, by phone at 541-880-2374, or just stop by Building 3, Room 350. We look forward to helping you.